Today we have something very exciting to review. I love technology, and this is something I've been waiting to review for quite some time. So let's get this thing unboxed and try it out. Let's go. This is the ECOVACS GOAT O1000 RTK. It's beautiful. I love it. This thing is a heavy-duty mower that does everything for you guys. This is brought to you by the fine folks over at ECOVACS Robotics, who also coincidentally make the D-Bot vacuum for inside of your house. They say it's one of the most advanced robotic mowers on the market. And by the looks of it, I do not doubt it. So one of the more notable qualities of this mower is it doesn't use a wire system. You don't have to bury anything. If you guys know my yard and my soil, I'm not burying anything. So it uses RTK navigation for pinpoint accuracy. It knows where it's going within your yard. No wires needed. It knows where to go. It knows where your grass is. It makes its own pathway around your yard. You can use the app to also set your limits, set the path, set things you want to avoid, tell it where to go, and it'll do all the work for you. It's got AI obstacle avoidance, and where I plan to use this, that's going to come in handy. My dogs are in the backyard where this thing's going to be running. They're constantly leaving their toys, and let's say unmentionables, in the yard. So this thing will be tested to make sure that it doesn't run over anything that I don't want it to mow over. That should be interesting. So when I did take this out of the box, you saw the unveiling. This thing feels solid. It is quality. These are the blades. This is the rotary. It's all waterproof. It can run through just about anything. You see it's got these fins on it to push things out of the way if it doesn't see it. Pretty slick. Fits on the base. So key feature breakdown for this thing. It's got everything you need. It's got AI, it's got navigation, it's got obstacle avoidance, automated AI mapping, unlike other mowers where you have to bury a cable and then they tend to just bounce off of it. It doesn't do that. It uses signals and intelligence. Seamless obstacle avoidance, which in a yard of dogs, that's pretty important. It uses AI and 3D TOF LiDAR technology for safe mowing and accurate navigation. Flexible lawn management, you can set zones of your lawn where you don't want it to go. Maneuver between 2.3 feet of a pathway. It can still mow down that center aisle. So that's when you come to think of size versus capability. This thing, you don't have to worry about it being smaller than your regular mower. It's out doing the job for you and you don't even have to think about it. You can set it to start while you sleep and it takes care of the mowing, so when you wake up, it's already done and back charging. That's pretty nice. So let's get this outside, set it up, and see what it can do.
Initiating launch sequence.
That's too funny. I just set the mower to go and I look at my security cameras and the infrared camera can pick up the LiDAR flashes in the front. That's pretty freaking sweet, dude. It'll mow at night while you sleep. That's all I need. So yeah, if you want to set it and forget it, you cannot beat this. This little guy is doing all the work for me, and I don't have to worry about coming back out here mowing. Sure, you got to do some little trimming here and there. You got to expect that. It's not going to get under your fence or right up next to the fence or some hard to reach areas. But fellas, that's a freshly mowed lawn. I haven't had to do anything other than set it on the remote, tell it to go, it does the job. So would I, at Lawn & Order, recommend this? Yes. First off, it's a gadget. I love gadgets. And it's just doing a great job. The battery goes until it runs out, then it recharges itself and it goes back and mows again. So far, I can't find anything wrong with it. The dogs, they're not so sure about it yet. It'll take a little bit of time for them to get over it. So if they can get used to it being out here, they should be fine. And for all you dog owners, it does avoid the unmentionables. Points scored, yes. So if you're ready to upgrade your lawn game, I'll put the link in the description below. Go ahead and get your own. Man, it's worth it. Take care, guys.